page. Okay, well, this coming Monday.
That's right.
We have a special Technorazzi Live coming up. That's on October 14th for all of you, next Monday, at Mitutoyo America's new M3 Solution Center in Aurora, Illinois. Mitutoyo will be celebrating their 50th anniversary with an open house, and we will be there to cover that event live as well as look at some new Mitutoyo equipment. Here to tell us a little bit about what we will see on October 14th is Mark Izumi. Hi, Mark. How you doing?
Good. How are you guys doing?
Oh, pretty good. So, by 50th anniversary, I assume you must mean the 50th anniversary in the United States, because Mitutoyo itself's been around a lot longer than 50 years, right?
That is absolutely correct. Here in the United States, Mitutoyo America Corporation has been here since 1963, which would be our 50th. Mitutoyo Corporation in Japan will be celebrating their 80th next year. So yes, it is important for us, this being our 50th anniversary. With that being said, as far as the anniversary is concerned, to improve things in communications and efficiencies with our customer, we actually have built a new corporate headquarters.
And actually, Mark, if I can introduce, we actually have some video of that.
Great.
Maybe we can run that video, and you can just tell us what we're. Well, that wouldn't be the video. This would be the one. Maybe you can tell us what we're seeing here if we get the thing. And that would be the Mitutoyo sign.
There it is.
All right.
That's right.
That is. This is actually within the new metrology center. We're putting the finishing touches on it, but it'll be all nice and cleaned and polished and ready to go for Monday. So yes, we're you know, it's got all of our latest equipment in it. We've got CMMs, form equipment, vision measuring systems. We've got a Mach Kogami, which is a flexible measuring head incorporated with a robot. So it's an automated measuring cell.
How many square feet are we talking in this new facility?
We are talking about 4,000 square feet
Nice.
For the M3 Solution Center. It's all state-of-the-art. Everything has 40-inch LCD displays because, as you know, most devices these days are highly software driven. So we wanted to ensure that that the product showed well in that regard.
So is this strictly a sales center, or is will custom custom measurement be done here as well, that type of thing?
Oh, sure. Custom measurement. We have an engineered solutions group that will take product from out of the orange box and actually create an engineered solution with fixturing and all kinds of stuff. So it is not just a low-key solution center. It's actually got some sophistication, and you know we're pretty broad. This here is a picture of the lobby area. So as you can see, there's a little work to be done yet for Monday, but we'll get there.
Those guys are going to work fast.
Yes. They are on overtime right now, so we will be getting it done.
Well, besides being all clean and shiny, and what will this new facility allow you to do that you can't already do now?
Well, what's interesting is right now we operate out of 3 buildings as far as the corporate campus environment. We've got the corporate office with distribution in one building. We've got a sales office in another building. And we've got the M3 Solution Center and Education Department in the 3rd building. So this will allow us to consolidate all 3 of those into one, and again, improve efficiencies and communication across the board.
Okay. And so if we can come back to camera 1 here, Daniel. So what kind of equipment are we actually going to take a look at on Monday? Because I know we're going to kind of run through some of what new equipment or older equipment. What are we going to see on Monday?
Mainly new equipment. Again, we've got the Mach Kogami with the robot. It has a FANUC robot incorporated with it. We've got a surf test probe, which is actually a surface analysis probe that is used in conjunction with our CNC coordinate measuring machine. We also have a QV stream machine, which is a continuous vision measuring while maintaining accuracy. So this is stream technology, which we'll be showing. And a number of, we do have one product that is going to be super important for us. And I'm not going to disclose it at this time. We'll just let it be a surprise for Monday.
All right.
Well, Mark, we're going to be there on the 14th on this Monday. That's really the kind of the official opening. There's going to be a ribbon cutting at 1:30, I think, Central Time. But the day when folks can come out, our viewers, our audience can come out and check that out is actually Tuesday the 15th, and it's going to be a true open house that you're going to invite people in the industry and anybody, the public, to come by and see what you're all about. So what are they going to see on the 15th? What kind of day is that going to be for people?
On the 15th is more of an open house for customers and distributors. We are conducting a seminar all day long with some pretty interesting topics. We've got Dr. Henrik Nielsen he's an ISO chair. We've got Dr. Ed Morris from the UNC Charlotte. We've also got Gordon Scannum, who is an ASQ fellow. As well as Dr. Ted Dorian from NIST. So we do have some high-level speakers, as well as our own Dr. Jim Salisbury, who is our corporate metrologist.
Okay. Well, Mark Izumi from Mitutoyo, thanks for joining us today, and we'll be seeing you in a couple days live. And we invite all of you who are watching this broadcast to tune in. You'll be getting an email on it. It's one of our Technorazzi Live series, and you'll be able to watch and participate, ask questions about the various pieces of equipment we're going to be looking at, or maybe you have just general questions from Mitutoyo, and you'll be able to get those on the air live. So,
and if you're in the Aurora area, the Chicago area, on the 15th on Tuesday, come on by and check it out there as well.
Absolutely.
Okay, thanks, Mark.
Thank you, Mark.
Thanks, guys.
We'll see you next week.
All right.
Okay.
Bye-bye now. Yes, and if you want to register, if you want to find out more information about that, there's a banner ad right below the player page right down there, and check that out. Click over and go to the Mitutoyo site. You'll see more information about that, and you'll find out how you can go ahead and come out. And again, you can watch it live on the 14th on Monday. You can come out in person in the flesh and get some great seminars and take a first-hand look at all the equipment on Tuesday.
That's right.
All righty.
We got a book.